Hello everyone, and welcome to Jumperman Tech, where we specialize in HVAC. We do everything DIY, and we are back at this nightmare boiler with the faulty pump that needs to be replaced. We worked until 6 o'clock in the morning earlier this morning, and we're back now. We had to pick up more parts, and it's going to be an interesting one. Thank you to everyone tuning into Jumperman Tech. We have this boiler here. This is boiler number 6, and it has a faulty pump. What was happening was there was a valve here that didn't hold, so we had to shut down the main water supply here and every boiler. So when we were taking out the pump, the piece is stuck. The pump itself, the impeller was stuck in the pump header, and it was an absolute nightmare. So we're like, you know what, we gotta put it back. We put it back, and when we opened up the water was flooding everywhere through the pump. It was just destroyed at that point. We couldn't stop the water, but luckily I had this valve. We shut it down, but now we are back. They want us to change the pump. We have to change the pump header. Let's come back here. Tight spot. So over here, here's the pump that needs to be taken out, but we need to change this piece here. We need to change the pump header. We can't get this pump out of there, and it's just time for this thing to go. They want it done right away, and this boiler, along with number 5, served floor 7 to 17, which is much more important. We're actually going to take apart pump header from boilers either 1 or 2, and we're going to install it here. We do have a new pump back there. Maybe we'll put in the one that's on that boiler. Maybe we put the new pump on the other side. But anyways, let's shut down either boiler number 1 or 2 and start draining that thing out and pulling everything out. We got this pump here. It sounds horrible. Maybe we can get the next one. Thing is, it's kind of a different design. You see how this is one big piece here. The other one was 2 pieces. This one sounds a lot better. This is a different style pump. You can see it going there. So look, pay attention to what I'm saying here. This pump header is one big piece with 4 bolts, same as the other one. This is the one we need to change. Look how this one goes into here, has bolts, and it's bolted in the back. It's like it's 2 pieces on this one, compared to style like this where it's just one big piece. The model number is slightly different, but it's PNCH or PNVC. It's very similar. I still think it'll fit. If anything, maybe we just take off this back piece here, we pull this whole thing out, and then swap it with just one big piece. I think it'll work. Let's take some measurements. Like I said, my sockets that was stolen, but I actually never had one with these big of a fittings. Got a 1/2-inch drive and this little setup. It should be good to take off these bolts. So either way, we got to take this one apart. So let's start with this, but I think we will be able to use one like that here. It lines up with the measurements and stuff like that. As far as this though, we're gonna have to start by taking off this layer and then the second layer. Let's do it. The water's already drained and shut down here. Power's off. All right, this looks pretty heavy duty. Impact rated too. Oh wow, dude, that came off like butter. This thing was loose. All right, that one's started. Okay, what about this one? Man, this thing's coming off like butter, man. Please, I wanna go home already, man. This thing's coming off like butter. That's good. This kind of barely gets in there, but it's loose. Just balance that for me, all right?
Will do.
Maybe we can free it up with this piece off. All right, shut up. Yeah, that thing is stuck in there. gonna have to get like a flathead in here and smack this thing out.
Alright.
See, we got a flathead in here.
There we go.
Alright.
Very nice.
Oh, that looks horrible.
Yeah.
Alright, let's put that down.
We'll do it. Right there.
Nice, nice, nice.
It's nasty.
Oh, this thing is super messed up.
Indeed.
Maybe if we get this somewhere else, we can mess with it.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah.
This gasket ain't the worst, but we got a new one.
True.
Let's make sure we got the right ones. There's some of that goes in there. Oh, that one's hard to get into with this. Oh man. Could probably get it. Oh, that sucks. Alright, anyways, these are like loose, man. So we should be able to get these off easy. Take off those by hand, start by hand. Oh, that one's loose already.
Yeah.
It's just these bottom ones are gonna be kind of hard to get to. Let's get this out. Let's see what happens. See if we can get it out like this.
Yeah.
Hmm.
2,000 years later.
I think we loosened it.
Okay. Sounds like it. Oh yeah.
The gasket's holding it. Oh, you see the gasket broke?
Yeah.
Okay. And that's why we got a new gasket. I picked up the gaskets. Look at all this.
Yes.
I'm gonna have to make sure this is smooth.
Yeah.
Luckily, this doesn't look too rotten, you know? I mean, besides for the inside. But the wall here is kind of decent, you know?
Yeah.
Let's
it out.
yeah, let's clean this up a bit.
Alright.
I don't want to leave all that junk in there.
Yeah,
That's not good. We'll get some gloves. Let's kind of scrape some of this out. All that thick stuff.
yeah, I got it.
Definitely not gonna want that in the boiler.
Definitely.
You know, but also let's not go too crazy here.
Alright.
Are these plugged? Hold up a second. Oh no, it's just not set up exactly. It's not plugged.
Okay.
There's a lot of junk in there.
Yeah.
Jeez. All right, that looks so much better already. All right, I think we're okay here. We're gonna want to smooth this out to make sure it's clean. Let's see. I had the gasket here. This is the one that we picked up, and it's gonna be a perfect fit. It's gonna be a perfect fit. That's a beautiful thing. Let's start with the next boiler. Let's turn it off. Close the supply and return valves, drain it, and take it apart. We're gonna shut this boiler down. Look at this. I was deciding which one to take down. The other one, the pump sounds horrible. This one's pump sound a lot better, but look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we look here on this ignition control, it says 4 flashes, igniter failure, check amp draw. Alright, we're definitely gonna shut this one down. Unreal. This place is cursed. I'm gonna turn the power off for this one. Oh, this valve doesn't seem good. Alright, that closed. And now this one. Let's get a hose and let's drain this guy down. Alright, we set this up. I open it, make sure it's okay.
Okay.
What's up with this thing? You got water coming out?
No, it could be the way it is.
Huh?
No.
No? Oh, this thing is probably clogged. Alright, we'll drain it from there. Let's get like a little pan that they keep here. Looks like we're good here. Why is this cover even off? Anyways, gotta go through here. Look, this thing is bent. Oh, this is the fresh air intake. Anyways. Oh man, there's like no space to get in here. What a pain in the butt. Let's get some of this out the way. Let me get some rags, man. Jesus. Oh man. You gotta crawl through here. Such a dirty area I'm on. It's wet. Freaking got this thing above my head. Man, who planned this out? I gotta take care of this. Anyways, let's disconnect the power here. Yep. Let's get this thing out of here. Everything's already loose. Let's make sure this thing is fully drained before I pull this pump out. Yeah, I know it's nasty. Well, we're gonna take out this pump and hopefully this comes out smooth. All right, just get all these bolts out. And then we're gonna take it out. All right, I loosened them all.
Alright.
I'm gonna pull them out. Just balance that for now.
Will do.
And then just balance it for now. And we're just gonna pull it out.
Got it. Alright. There we go.
Alright. See, that one came right off.
Yeah.
Bring that down.
Getting that easy.
Oh man, this thing is bad in here. That came right off. The other one didn't. Now that's why that one is so bad.
Yeah.
Oh man. Man, this is bad. No wonder we couldn't get the other pump out. Oh man, these are real tight. Okay. Okay, now, never mind. I think this should do it. I think this is the same thing as the other one. Even just the other one's 2 pieces, this is 1. It all looks like the same size. Just looking at this, looks like it all lines up. Yeah, this lines up. Alright, let's keep taking these out. This one's a lot tighter. Thank God for this socket set. Oh man. These bolts are rotting, man. These bolts are rotting. Like over there. Oh man. I hope it actually comes out, it doesn't get broken in there. Look at this, what's this? This control's jumped out. Whatever that is.
Yep.
Okay. Keep that safe.
Yep.
Okay. Alright. Alright, just trying to clean up some of this. Stuff is terrible in here. Same for here. Keep it smooth. I got it's a lot better. But this thing is seriously rotted out. I don't even know if this is gonna work. This is a bad idea. Seriously bad idea. Let's see right here. It does fit inside here. Got it. Let's get a good light on here. Make sure that thing stays flat, okay?
Yeah.
You're gonna match up this hole. I'm gonna match up this hole with this, okay?
Gotcha.
Let's try to put this on. Start from the bottom.
Okay. Here at bottom.
And just put it on smoothly. Okay?
Yeah.
Alright. 4 corners in. Let's just finish this up. It's going in pretty smoothly. This is a very heavy piece. It's cast iron, as you can imagine. But doing everything hand tight for now so the threads line up. In case we need any bit of play. Alright. Looks like we're gonna be in business with this. Let's tighten this up. I actually like this one piece better so we can get to all the bolts nicely. Yeah. Thank God for this socket right now. What's good is that we can what's good is that we can get to these bolts a lot easier. We have access to all of them. The old gasket torn, so I got this new one. We have a spare just in case. Let's get this on here. See where it sits on this rim?
Yeah, I see.
Let's just hope that stays on there. Seems kind of loose, but anyways, it's a tough spot. All right, man.
All right.
Let's lift it up. You're gonna balance the bottom for me.
I will.
Gonna make sure this gasket. All right, this gasket already came out of place. Let's try to balance this.
Oh.
Now you're good. Keep it straight with this. Hold on.
Right.
Straight.
Straight.
Hold up. This has to be facing up, okay?
Facing up. Gotcha.
So let's just push it. Hold on, hold on.
Okay.
Okay. Hold on. Gotta turn this a little.
Okay.
Right
Okay.
there. Let's try that.
All right.
Nope. That's not even going in straight. This has to turn a little bit up. There we go. It's catching.
Better. Nice. Very
Yeah.
nice.
Okay. Let's get this bottom one in. All right, it's catching. All right, those are in. Let's do it evenly. All right, man. That looks official. Nice bolts, everything nice and clean. Put that little drain plug back on. This is on. New gaskets. Let's open up this water and check for leaks. If everything is good, I'm gonna wire this up. All right, let's open those valves slowly.
Okay.
All right, that was kind of fast, but all right. All right, open the other one.
All right. Okay.
All right. This thing is filled up already. It's looking good.
Okay.
It is looking good. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Got a dual voltage motor. Wired it for 120. It's gonna be wired for 120 or 208, single phase. Connector in. Let's close the cover and start this up. The hot surface igniters constantly go bad right there, so we're gonna give them a new one. For this startup, we don't want to have any problems, so it's just a thing. This looks great. Looks like Mickey Mouse. Look at that, the capacitors. Yo. Alright guys, you can see the water is open. We got no leaks. We rebuilt this last time. Even got 2 new drain valves. Definitely nice. New pump is on, covers are on. Turn that on. Right there. Pump is running. Sounds smooth. Oh, it's a beautiful thing. Alright, fan started at 101 degrees out temperature. That's because this boiler is tied into it. Let's get a flame. Got a little sight glass here. See in the chamber. Oh, I see it glowing. I see it glowing. That's looking like we about to have a. Looks like we got flame.
Flame on.
Yeah. Watch that temperature rise. 102. 103. Flame is still on. Yep. We got fire. We got fire. 105, 106. Let's get it. Alright everyone. Temperatures are climbing, 124. Got a steady flame here. And it works in conjunction with this one. Another steady flame, so we should be okay. Oh man. That was an amazing job. New pump. This thing was set up, new gaskets. Everything's moving nice and smooth. All that's a mess. We're gonna have to order a new header for the other boiler. We already got gaskets. And we're gonna put that same pump back. It's gonna be a whole nother thing. Man, oh man. That was quite the job. But we're gonna wrap this one up here. It's about 10 p.m. now. We just worked 8 days straight. Looking forward to take tomorrow off, but every time I say that, I get a service call. If anyone found this video interesting or helpful, please drop a like, comment, subscribe as I come out with new videos every week. And I'll catch you all next time.